Hello, Andy Klaus with Vortex Weather Insurance. In today's Whiteboard series, we're going to discuss how to use your parametric insurance payout. With parametric insurance, it's a little different than traditional insurance. With traditional insurance, you have to use your payout towards whatever that loss was, whatever that physical damage was. You have to take that money and put it towards that. Where with a parametric insurance policy, if you have a payout, you can use that money any way you want. There are no restrictions. So some examples of this is with an event policy, you could pay those built-in expenses for that event. If you have a headlining act where you have to prepay to have them show up, or if you have rental fees or any of those expenses that you have to prepay for, use that money towards that. You can refund your attendees. With a hurricane insurance policy, you can use it towards cleanup expenses. You can make repairs to your property. You can contribute that money towards high property deductibles. Wind hail deductibles are on the rise, so you can use that money towards that. Again, with rain insurance, you can contribute to the event's charity. If it's a charitable event, put that money towards the charity, and even if there's a rain out or less than ideal attendance, put that money towards the charity, and it's still a success. You can make an investment towards next year's event. If you have an annual event, just because you have a bad year because of rain, you could take that money and put it towards the following year to continue operations. Either way, ultimately, there are no restrictions. Use the money any way you wish. Contact us at 913-253-1215 or at vortexinsurance.com.